In this lesson, we are going to learn the sound ž, which is considered one of the most difficult sound in the Czech language. And we are going to learn some of the words that contain this ž letter, and also some words that have a combination of two letters, t, ž, tř, which are also quite common. And at the end, you're going to learn a Czech tongue twister, which consists of tř sound and ž sound. So let's start. First, we are going to practice the sound ž. Ž. You need to use the tip of your tongue, put it behind the teeth. Ž. Ž. It vibrates a little bit, but very slightly. It is not as strong as ž, but it's just a one vibration, one quick vibration. Ž. Ž. As in word řeka. 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 Řeka means river. Another word would be Řecko. Řecko. Řecko means Greece, the country. Řasa. Řasa. Řasa is an eyelash and also algae. Řeřicha. This is a special word. Řeřicha has two ž, and it's a plant. It looks like this. It's very popular here. You can plant it on a piece of cotton and just water it, and then it grows, and you can add it on your sandwich. It's a little spicy. So this is řeřicha. And one more. Říkám. Říkám. Říkám means I say, or I am saying. Now we are going to practice them again. Řeka. Řecko. Řasa. Řeřicha. Říkám. Okay. And now the ž sound together, it sounds like tř. Tř. It might be a little bit more complicated because the words that I told you before started with ž, where you can actually make the sound more stronger. And here, usually it appears in the middle or even at the end. So there the ž is almost silent. It's almost just like sh, sh. So the common word where sh appears, it's in the word three. Tři. 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 Next number is třináct. 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 Třicet. 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 And last. Třicet tři. Třicet tři. Třicet tři. Okay, and we are missing one more number, and that would be 333. 333. 333. 333. 333. Okay, so those were the numbers. Next one is a word třešeň. 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 So those words started with tsh, and now we're going to have words which contain tř in the middle. Potřebovat. To need. Potřebovat. Potřebovat. Uvnitř. Uvnitř. Uvnitř means inside. Okay, next one. Stříbrný. Stříbrný. Stříbrný means silver. Stříkat. Stříkat. Stříkat means to spray or splash. Přes. Přes. Přes means over. Okay, next word is střecha. 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 Střecha means roof. And now we are going to do a little bit of practicing for the tongue twister. So we are going to do a preparation of words. We are going to build little phrases and then we're going to learn the whole phrase. So let's start again with střecha, roof. Střecha. Now repeat. Stříbrná střecha. Stříbrná střecha. A silver roof. Once again. Stříbrná střecha. Přes stříbrnou střechu. Over a silver roof. Přes stříbrnou střechu. Another new word. Stříkačka. Stříkačka. Stříkačka means a syringe, something that can squirt water, but in our tongue twister this is going to be an firefighter engine. Stříkačka. Stříkačka stříká. The engine splashes. Stříkačka stříká. Stříbrná stříkačka stříká. Stříbrná stříkačka stříká. A silver engine is splashing. Okay, now we're going to practice again this. 333. 333. Now, 333 stříbrných stříkaček. 333 stříbrných stříkaček. 333 engines are splashing. 333 stříbrných střech. 333 stříbrných střech. That's 333 roofs, silver roofs. 330 stříbrných střech. Now you're going to put these two parts together. 333 stříbrných stříkaček stříkalo přes 333 stříbrných střech. Okay, this beautiful sentence means 333 silver engines splashed water over 333 silver roofs. 333 stříbrných stříkaček stříkalo přes 333 33 stříbrných střech. Let me say that again because I got stuck. 333 stříbrných stříkaček stříkalo přes. 333 stříbrných střech. I'm going to say it one more time or twice and say it a little bit faster. 333 stříbrných stříkaček stříkalo přes 333 stříbrných střech. And one more time. 333 stříbrných stříkaček stříkalo přes 333 stříbrných střech. And you can try saying it as fast as you can. I don't even know if I can. 333 stříbrných stříkaček stříkalo přes 333 stříbrných střech. Okay, I couldn't. Let's see if you can.